Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're looking at a tool that promises to do it all: straighten, curl, and everything in between, while keeping your hair healthy. It's the Revlon Perfect Match Flat Iron, a 2-in-1 hair straightener and curling iron, designed to give you salon-quality results with the added benefits of nourishing oils. Let's dive into how this multitasking styler stacks up. The Revlon Perfect Match Flat Iron features triple oil-infused ceramic plates incorporating Argan, Macadamia, and Moringa oils. These ingredients work together to boost shine and help keep your hair looking healthier with each use. It's a great addition to any hair care routine, especially if you're concerned about heat damage. But does it really live up to that promise? When I first tried this out, I was impressed by how lightweight the tool is. It doesn't feel bulky, even though it's packed with features. The 1-inch rounded edges make it easy to maneuver, whether you're using it for sleek, straight looks or for bouncy curls and waves. The curved outer plates are a game changer for creating those beachy, tousled curls without the dreaded flat iron creases. I was able to quickly switch between straightening and curling, which made it feel like I was getting two tools in one. One of the standout features is the 30 heat settings that go all the way up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit. I was able to adjust the temperature easily depending on my hair's needs. It's also dual voltage, which is perfect if you travel internationally. Another small detail I appreciated was the 6-foot swivel cord, which gave me plenty of room to move around without feeling restricted. In terms of real-world testing, I used this flat iron both for a straightened look and for curls. The straightening went smoothly, and my hair stayed sleek for hours. When I switched to curling, I didn't have to worry about the tool leaving that awkward crease some flat irons can leave. The curls held up pretty well throughout the day, though I would recommend a good hairspray for longer-lasting hold. But let's talk about the heat. I did notice that even though the tool helps reduce heat damage, you still have to be cautious. If you're using high temperatures, it's essential to apply a heat protectant beforehand. The 30 heat settings are great for customizing the experience based on your hair type, but for very fine or fragile hair, you might want to stick to lower settings to avoid unnecessary stress on your strands. So let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Revlon Perfect Match Flat Iron is incredibly versatile. Whether you want a smooth, straight look or soft curls, it can do it all. The triple oil-infused ceramic plates definitely leave hair looking shinier and healthier than some other irons I've tried. Plus, the quick heat-up time and the dual voltage make it a great option for both everyday styling and travel. On the downside, while it does minimize heat damage, you still need to be cautious with how high you set the temperature. If you have sensitive or damaged hair, it might be worth starting at a lower heat setting to avoid any stress. Another small issue is that the design can feel a bit basic, especially compared to other high-end tools that offer more advanced features like digital screens or automatic temperature adjustment. Now, when it comes to value for money, the Revlon Perfect Match Flat Iron is a strong contender. Considering the dual functionality, the nourishing oils, and the variety of heat settings, it's priced fairly for a product that performs well and offers a solid range of features. I wouldn't say it's the cheapest option on the market, but if you're looking for a versatile tool that does both straightening and curling, this is a solid choice. In terms of build quality, the ceramic plates are durable, and I've had no issues with the overall construction. The heat-resistant gloves that come with the tool are a nice touch too, preventing any burns while styling. As for longevity, I've been using this tool for a few weeks now, and it still feels just as effective as when I first opened the box. If you're not convinced by the price, there are a few alternatives out there. Tools like the Chai Original 1-inch Flat Iron or the Remington S5500 Digital Anti-Static Flat Iron offer similar styling capabilities at a lower price point. However, those options lack the added benefits of the oil infusion and may not provide the same level of shine or heat protection. So, does the Revlon Perfect Match Flat Iron live up to its claims? In short, yes. It's a great option for those who want a versatile, easy-to-use tool that delivers salon-quality results without breaking the bank. If you're someone who switches between straightening and curling, This is definitely a tool that simplifies your routine and leaves you with healthy, shiny hair. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a new review from Beautyistic. Your support helps us bring more honest reviews like this to fellow beauty lovers. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.